On this tutorial, we'll do problems 3, 4, and 6. This is Literal Equations Worksheet 1-3. Okay, let's take a look at problem 3. It says solve 4f plus 32 equals 8g. They want us to solve it for f. So I'm going to rewrite it. 4f plus 32 equals 8g. Okay, I want to get the f by itself. Okay, so here's my wall at my equal sign. On the left-hand side, I have 4f plus 32. On the right-hand side, I have 8g. Where's the f? Here's my f, okay? I want to go ahead and maybe put a little box around that term, the term that has my f that I want to get by itself. So what else is happening on this side? I boxed my term with the f. I also have a plus 32. That's the first step. I need to get rid of that with opposite math. I do minus 32 on both sides. Now this cancels out, but notice I didn't write the minus 32 below the 8g because these guys aren't like terms. I can't put them together. I can't do 8 minus 32. This guy has a g, this guy does not have a g. So the best I can do is just write them side by side, showing 8g minus 32. Okay? Now what do I have left since I got rid of this? I have 4f. I need to divide both sides by the 4. Okay? That cancels out and f's by itself. Now over here it gets a little tricky, but just watch. I have 8 divided by 4, and I have negative 32 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, so I have 2g right here. Negative 32 divided by 4 is 8, so it'd be negative 8. So I got f by itself. They're not asking for an answer, they're asking for an equation where f is by itself. Okay, I may run out of battery, so if I do, I will put a new video up later. Okay, number 4, solve A equals LW for W. We know this is area equals length times width, right? Okay, so I have area equals length times width. When you handwrite it, you kind of make it cursive looking so it doesn't look like a number. Here's my wall. There's my W. What's happening to it? It's being multiplied by L. The opposite of multiplying by L is dividing by L. So we divide both sides by L. That cancels. W is by itself. W is equal to A divided by L. Or width is equal to area divided by length. What you can do is use that equation on number 5. I'm not going to do it for you. But they give you the area and they give you the length. So basically you're just doing that divided by that. And you get that answer. Let's try number 6 before I run out of battery. It says which equation is the result of solving 9 plus 3x equals 2y? And they want us to solve it for x. So here's my wall. I got to find the term with the x. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and circle the plus also because that belongs to it. The sign in front belongs to it. So there's my term with the x. What other term is over there? The 9 is over there and I have to get rid of him. Now what's happening? These guys are being combined with addition. The 9 is positive and the 3x is positive. Since I'm getting rid of the 9, the opposite of a positive 9 is a negative 9. Canceled out. And notice I didn't write the negative 9 below the 2y because they're not like terms. All I can do is write them side by side. 2y minus 9. So what we have on the left-hand side is 3x. We don't have to write the plus sign because, you know, it's a positive 3x. We don't have to show a plus to show that. And we're almost done. X is not by itself yet. We need to divide both sides by 3 because this is 3 times x. Opposite is dividing by 3. That cancels. All right. Here's the little tricky last step. Let's see what happens here. We have 2y divided by 3, and we have negative 9 divided by 3. 2y divided by 3, there's nothing really you can do except you could write it 2y over 3. But I want to share something with you. Another way of writing that is just 2/3 y, which is what the answer choices have them as, 2/3 y, 2/3 y, okay? So that's actually 2/3 y, and what's 9 divided by 3? It is 3, and that's a minus 9, so we have a minus 3 in their answer, okay? So x is equal to 2/3 y minus 3. Just remember, 2/3 y is the same thing as 2y divided by 3. It's the exact same thing. So there's your answer.